recording?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. All right, you guys, let me just double check that real quick. All right, good. All right, you guys, this is Brandon Lewis with Smart Roof. Shout out to my 6-year-old baby girl, Chloe. We're just gonna do a little quick walkthrough on my install in Sterling, VA. Come on, baby. And you can just take a look. As you can see, we have the trailer here. We're gonna start going around this way. Actually, go this way. Come on. All right, you guys, so right now, as you can see, things are tarped up. It's a lot going on. Can't really see through there. I'm gonna go through here. Come on, baby. All right, come on. Yeah, we're gonna go around this way, baby. Come on. Come through here. Come on. Quick. Still on the outer side. It's still on the outer side. Yeah. It's looking very good. Come on, baby. Hey, how are you guys? Oh, excuse us. All right. Come on. Up. All right. Huh? I see. Yeah. All right, so this concludes my little brief walk around.